In this example, we have three terms that we're trying to combine together. Right now, it doesn't look like I have any like terms, but let me simplify these radicals and see maybe I do. So 72xy is underneath the radical here. The x and the y, there's nothing I can do with, but perhaps the 72. 72 I know is 9 times 8. 9 is a perfect square number, and 8 is 4 times 2. 4 is a perfect square number. So you can bring out the 9, bring out the 4, and then the 2 will be left underneath. So the square root of 9, let me first write down the 7x. And then square root of 9 is 3, square root of 4 is 2. And then what I have left underneath the square root symbol is 2, and then the xy. All right, let's move to the next term. You've got 8x, and then square root of 2xy, because I can't simplify that any further, plus 7x, and let's see if I can simplify 18, square root of 18. 18 I know is 9 times 2. 9's a perfect square number, and then 2 will get left underneath. Let's see, the square root of 9 is 3, and then what I have left is 2xy underneath. All right, let me just simplify all of these expressions. I got 7 times 3 times 2. What is it? 42? 42x root 2xy. Great. Plus 8x root 2xy. Plus 7 times 3 is 21. 21x root 2xy. Okay, so notice these are all like terms, because here's the number part is 42. The rest is x root 2xy. 8x root 2xy. 21 x root 2xy. So these are all like terms. So I can just kind of add them all together. 42 plus 8, it's 50. Plus 21 is 71. So this becomes 71x square root 2xy. All right, the next example will be one where I've got three terms again, but they're not all three going to be like terms. And I know that for sure because you see the square root of 3? First of all, there's no x underneath the radical symbol. Second of all, it's not even the same index root. This is an index 2 root. These two guys are index 3 roots. Okay? So, combining, notice that these are like terms. So, the cube root of x is the non-number part. So, I'm just going to combine by adding the number parts together. Let's see, what's negative 7 plus negative 6? That'll be negative 13 cube root of x. And then I still have the minus the square root of 3 left. Here we go.